Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about fix cannot connect to this internet network error on Windows 11 Wi-Fi or internet. That's a problem. Guys, go to search menu, type cmd, right click, run as administrator, click yes, type here IP con fig space slash fl uskich flash DNS. Press enter. The IP configuration successfully flashed the DNS solver cache. And another one command is tab row. Type NETSCH space WINSOCK sock space RESET. Press enter. Successfully reset the Windows catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Okay, go on to your PC and start menu. Press start button, restart it. Make sure go to search menu, type settings, click settings. Go to network and internet. Scroll down, advanced network settings. Scroll down, network reset option. Here, this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN clients software or virtual switches. Start reset now. Network reset. Yes. Windows will shut down in 5 minutes. Shutdown will start on that's date today. Okay, restart your PC for this process.